What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go over to another piece of paper here, but I'll keep this one close by. So now notice these are the solutions for u that I found in my domain. But remember, I'm actually still looking for theta here. I'm actually not looking for u as my final answer. And so what you end up doing is you take each of these u's and you place it in 225 divided by 2. This is theta. That should give me an answer. Then 45 divided by 2. That should also give me an answer. $315 divided by 2 should also give me an answer. And 135 divided by 2 should also give me an answer. Okay, and so I'll just quickly go through and figure out these here. It'd be 112.5. 45 would be 22.5. 315 would be 150 plus 7.5, 157.5. And 135 would be 50, 60, 75, 77.5. No. That's not right. 67.5. No, that's not right either. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 13 divided by 2 is 15. Add that to 50 is 65 plus another 67.5. That looks like it might work. And so these are the solutions here, here, and here. But notice that these are the solutions for theta. Notice that my domain for theta is, remember that the domain for theta for these is usually always going to be from 0 to 360 degrees. Notice that all of the solutions that I have here are below 180. So there's a whole nother set of 4 solutions that are above 180 and below 360. The quick way to find those solutions would be to just add a rotation to each one of your existing u values, and then you end up dividing it by 2. And so your other u value, or your other theta, would be 225 plus 360. Let me make sure I get this right here. 225 plus 360 is 585. But remember, we still have to divide that by 2. And so divided by 2 is going to give me 140. Oh shoot, I messed that up, sorry. 585 divided by 2, 192.5, 292.5. degrees. And so 292.5 is also a solution to the original equation because it does fall into the domain. So in the end, you'll have 8 solutions. You'll have half of 225, half of 45, half. And the reason why we're doing this half is because Remember, this 2 theta came from the original equation, and we threw it away, did the whole question in u's, found some u values, and now we're using them to find thetas that are between 0 and 360. Well, these 4 u values only give us thetas that are below 180. These 4 u values will give us all of the thetas that are above 180. And so, if you take all of these angles here, and I won't do the rest of these, but they're basically the same way. Theta would be 45 plus 360 divided by 2, and you'd get another one of your solutions. Okay? And then you'd get another and another, 2 more, for a total of 8. But this video's already gotten pretty long, so I won't calculate it out. 315 plus 360, 135 plus 360. And so these are all of the solutions to theta 112. Or 112.5, 22.5, 157, so forth, and then these as well. And go ahead and check, actually, and see, but plugging in these 8 angles into this original equation, when you plug them into here, you're actually going to get 2. Okay? So, that's trigonometric equations.